65 Ford Mustang. There was 3 colors made for 2011. This is the blue, which is my favorite, of course. Another blue for 2011, because it seems like they made quite a bit for 2011. And there's a caramel, and there's a yellow. The blue one, see, these two just have Mustang written on them. See there? It's Mustang, Mustang, but this one says Ford Mustang. Can anybody tell me the story to that? What's the background? What's the dish, Cousin Fish? So tell me, what's the dish, Cousin Bluto? Blue. Yeah, I get it. Bluto. This card blue. Anyway. Yes, I've gone blue mad, man. And just can't help it.